Today I'll be showing you how to put your film into your Instax Mini 8 camera, polaroid camera. So you can see this pop right here on the back. You open that up and it'll look like this. You tear the package off, which I already teared that off, and then where the yellow mark is, it's gonna go in just like that. So that yellow mark right there in the camera, to the yellow mark right there in the camera, right here, right there in the camera, it has to line up with that yellow mark. Okay, so you're now going to shut this, and it's going to be a little hard to shut. Not very hard though. So now I'll be turning my camera on. So first, don't worry, you will not be wasting any film. You just have to take like a random picture, just so you can get the back of your film off. So that's trash. Now I'll be taking a picture to show you guys how it actually works. Sorry. So now it will pop out of the top of your camera. And you will have, the photo will come out white, and you're going to have to shake it like this, so the ink can come out from the black part into the white part. It takes a while to shake, so I'm still just going to be shaking that while I put this back up. So, this is my camera, and I love it, and I know film kind of is expensive, but if you get it off Amazon, oh my gosh, it was so cheap for a Polaroid film, because usually for 20 of them it's like $30, but if you get it off Amazon, you can get it and it's $13 for 20 of them. That's cheap for Polaroid camera film, guys. So now I'll be hanging this up on my Polaroid photo album. Would you guys like to see my Polaroid photo album? Here. So, right there, picture of me, my brother, and sister. That one right here is of me. This one is of me. I took these all last night and this morning. This one is of me, and that one is of the pier. And this one is like a really cool sign that someone made me. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!